Tired of messy timesheets and wondering if your team's projects are actually on track? Let's unlock the power of Clockify to streamline team time tracking. First, head over to Clockify's website. It's completely free. You'll want to create a single Clockify workspace for your entire team, using your company email if possible, and then choose a strong password, accepting the terms and conditions. Once you're in, navigate to the user management section usually found in the settings or workspace menu here. You can invite each employee to join the workspace. Just enter their email addresses and Clockify will send them an invitation link. Now, create projects that represent the work your team does within each project. You can add specific tasks. This allows everyone to track their time against the same standardized list, making reporting much more accurate. When your employees start working on a task, they simply select the project and task from the drop-down menus, add a brief description of what they're doing, and hit the Start button. Clockify tracks the time automatically. Clockify's reporting features are where the magic happens. You can generate detailed reports showing exactly how much time each employee spends on each project and task. This gives you valuable insights into productivity, project costs, and potential bottlenecks. Encourage your team to use Clockify consistently. Regular time tracking not only provides valuable data, but also promotes transparency and accountability within your team. Clockify offers team visibility and collaboration unlike any other.